People often ask, can I do my own exposure monitoring or do I need to outsource it? Well, the short answer is it depends on competence. Competence isn't just about having equipment. It's about knowing which standards to follow, understanding the methodology approved by the Health and Safety Executive, and being able to interpret the results correctly. Put in a perspective, taking a quick noise reading with a mobile application or measuring dust with a portable meter may seem straightforward, but it does not meet compliance standards. Proper monitoring involves calibrated equipment, traceable laboratory analysis, and reporting to standards that stand up to legal scrutiny. Becoming competent requires training, certification, and most importantly, experience in occupational hygiene methods. Without that, you may miss critical exposures, or worse, present data that does not protect people or meet your legal duties. That being said, there are certain things that you can do internally, like a basic pre-screening or a walkthrough survey to flag out obvious risk. But when it comes to compliance monitoring, most organizations outsource to specialists. It ensures accuracy, independence, and legal defensibility. So yes, you can do parts of it yourself, but for full compliance monitoring, competence is the key. And that usually means bringing in qualified occupational hygienist.